Okay, so I just finished the pizza oven build for now. I may still do some things to it in the future, like add like another coat of fine stuff with some oxide or something like that. But yeah, just finished the base. Pretty much used stuff I already had. Just used this wood here, which is like a base, and then I added some more wood to the sides, and then I filled it with sand. Just some sand from the beach, and I bought some sand too because I didn't have enough. So, and then yeah, for the base I'm using fire bricks that I bought, $2.50 each, I think. I know $25 for 12, but the shipping was about 25 as well. So yeah, that was about $5 each a brick, and I just tried to get them as level as possible. The reason I put it on sand is just I was worried the wood might get too hot and catch on fire, so that's why I did that. And yeah, then I just put the pizza oven back on top, and I'm not going to join it together at this stage, and then I just lighted a small fire just to, you know, just to see how it went. Didn't get it very hot, just kind of taking it easy. Apparently you have to like light a small one first, and yeah, next time I'll probably crank it up, try and cook some pizza. But it seemed all good, seemed to go good, so that's pretty much it. Definitely have some more vids coming up, cooking pizza in it and trying to figure out how to use it. But yeah, cheers for watching, subscribe if you want, and see you later.